this time.
What'd they say?
All stocked up for the week. Yes. Hunter and Sadie's first time in the mall. You guys ready for Santa pictures? Yeah, Daddy will be here soon.
Well, I'm all for
Hi, Sadie.
Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it.
Hello guys and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke, and if this is not the first video you've seen, thank you so much for returning and just coming along for the vlog journey. I really appreciate it. So right now it is Tuesday afternoon, or I guess Tuesday evening, and I just got home from work. Of course, immediately changed into like comfy clothes, sweats, because I just cannot be bothered to be uncomfortable any longer than I absolutely have to be. So yesterday we went to the Roseville Galleria and got Santa pictures with the pups. So there were like so many places to go get Santa photos, but one of my friends went to the Roseville Galleria and she showed me her photos. And the Santa looked so legit. So we decided to drive out there and go to get that Santa, because we went once and it was literally like some scrawny, long-haired blonde gal that was like doing Santa, and it was like, in what world? In what world? Like, no. So we weren't risking it again. So we went out to Roseville, and you can only go on like Monday nights and like certain like hours, because that, like, those are the only times they allow dogs. So we had to like coordinate with that, but we did it. They turned out cute and I'm so excited. So we're making little Christmas cards with them. So I'm not gonna share the photos just yet, but like, I like them. Honestly, we got like 3 good ones. They sent, I think 17, but the big flash, the dogs were scared of it. So a lot of the photos did not turn out, but we got 2 or 3, which honestly is all we need. Anywho, we got home yesterday. We got a package and I wanted to open it with you guys because I'm so excited. So this is an Etsy order that I placed, and it's a new doormat. So let's open it together. Okay, so in every house that we've had, I always get a new one, or honestly every few years, I get a new custom doormat, because I don't just want the basic like welcome one. I want one that has like our names or something like that. And honestly, I don't exactly remember which one we got, but I'm gonna kind of shake it out because I don't want any of these little frilly things. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what store we got it from. So again, we got this on Etsy, and the store is called His and Her Decor. So if you guys like this, that's where you can get it. So our mat says, oh, I love it. Welcome, and the Dowds at the bottom. Oh, this is so cute. So let's see, what size did I order? Because they have so many different sizes. Let's see here. So I got a size large, which is 24 by 36 inches. So there's like an extra small, a small, a regular, large, XL, and then like it goes huge for some of those, you know, those homes that have like double doors and you need like a mega mat. They make like all the way up to that size. So yeah, very exciting. So again, this is what it looks like. Welcome, and the Dowds. They have a ton of different like styles and wording and things like that. And also it's pretty like thick and heavy duty. So very happy with this. And I just picked up this morning, same day pickup. I ordered them late. Ow, okay, you know what? There we go. Ordered them last night, but these are Christmas cards. And I'm so excited. I can show you a little bit of what they look like. I'll show you the back, because we do have the pattern continuing onto the back. So you can kind of get a vibe of what the pattern of the card is. Cute little Christmas lights. But as far as the photos and everything, I will do a reveal on Instagram later. But I'm very excited about that. And then the second little envelope, or the second little box is all of the cards to send them out. And then I did buy stamps when I was there, but they only had like American flag stamps. So I bought 3. Where's the third? Oh, it slipped on. So I got, okay, well, you're just gonna have to take my word. Oh, there we are. So I got 3 of the stamp things. Each one has 20, so that I have 60 because I ordered 60 cards. So I think we technically only needed like 53, but based on like the list that we put together, but I was like, you know what? We probably forgot someone, and I'm not trying to like order the prints again and like redo this process if we realize we forgot like 1 or 2 people. So we ordered some extra. So anyway, I don't want this clip to get too long, but welcome back to the channel. So happy to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Happy almost Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. And I'll see you in a bit. Oh my gosh, I finished addressing all of the envelopes. So tomorrow we have the wax arriving for some wax seals. So we're gonna do that on all of these bad boys and then ship them out. But I'm so excited. It took actual hours, but we're done. It feels so good to have these done, guys. Literally cannot even explain it. But now it is 9:30 and it's time to go to bed. So we are finishing watching Christmas with the Cranks because you know it's a classic. We love it, watch it every single year. And yeah, and then we're gonna go to bed. So Wanda, come on, sign off for the evening, and I'll see you in the morning. Pit stop to pick up some gifts for my customers, and they let me pick my own samples. So obviously I got a milk chocolate Bordeaux. Oh, it's a good day. The mall is always so festive during Christmas. I mean, look at all these cute little lights and everything. So this is the mall in Reno, and it's so cute. I've never been here before. Hello guys, it's after work and I'm home. So now it is time to take this giant stack of Christmas cards and officially add the wax seal. So the wax was supposed to arrive by 10 p.m. today, but it arrived luckily I think around 6. So I got 2 of these packages. I already took this one out. So these wax ones already have a wick, so they're kind of like their own candle. So you're supposed to be able to just like drip it directly like onto the envelope. But the kind that we're used to using has like, they're just like little beads, and you use like 2 to 4 beads and you melt it in this little spoon over a small candle. And then once the wax is melted, you like pour on and then you put the stamp. So this one is kind of skipping the step of the spoon. So you just drip it on and then use the wax seal. So this is a wax seal I got off of Etsy like maybe 4 or 5 years ago. I got this a very, very long time ago, and we honestly have only used it like 4 times. So I'm really excited that finally we get to. Let's try this. Oh. Okay, so how do we get
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.
Has the wax quantity been better?
Yeah, you're going cheap on the other ones.
Tell me one thing. Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be.
Oh my gosh, we had it done within the hour. We have some drying throughout, but look at all of these, and then we have this stack of all the dry ones, but they turned out so good. Let me see, let me show you guys one. Look how cute. So it has B and D. Look how cute that is. And then yeah, all of them we dripped red and green wax together, so they kind of look like a little like Christmas mosh posh. So, oh, so happy how they turned out. Hey, Hunter, Sadie, you can't open your gifts yet. They already know all the bad gifts are like dog gifts, and they keep trying to be nosy, huh? You guys keep trying to see what's in the bags. Oh, yes, yes. Well, you present yourself as innocent, but I know you're guilty because I have witnessed your crimes, especially you. Hunter is the primary culprit. Huh, hunties?
What up, G?
Huh, babies? Okay guys, we just walked over to the mailbox and put all of the Christmas cards in there, which means they are officially, well, I guess tomorrow when the postman comes, then they'll officially be like sent, but they're pretty much officially sent. I can't believe it. Yeah, I'm just feeling so accomplished. So now, that was enough productivity for today. So despite the fact that we just went grocery shopping, we're doing a frozen meal. So we have Trader Joe's chicken tikka masala, and then we always have frozen naan in the freezer. We just get the big pack from Costco, and then we toast it up when we want it. And then Caesar salad from the Walmart Caesar salad kit, which is the best Caesar salad kit. I don't know why. Like, the dressing they use is just so much better. Like the Costco pre-made kit, no. The Rayleigh's, the Safeway, no, no, no. I don't know what it is about the Walmart one, but it is so good. Like, we will take trips to Walmart specifically for the Caesar salad. When we're planning like a dinner, family dinner, and we're gonna have Caesar salad, everyone's like, so who's going to Walmart to get the Caesar kit? Because like we're not going with anything else. So we are very loyal to like particularly Walmart's Caesar salad kit. So if you haven't tried it and you like Caesar salad kits, that's what you need to try. It is so much better than every other grocery store for whatever reason. It's like the dressing they use, it just hits. But anyway, so we're gonna eat this. We are going to watch our last few episodes of Ghosts and then just like cry because it's over. But in other news, we did find out 2 of our shows, Mayfair Witches and Severance, both come out like beginning of January. Mayfair Witches, I think, is January 5th, and Severance is January 12th. So we just have to make it through like a week and a half, and then we will be replenished with shows. So that's the latest and greatest. I'll see you guys in the morning. Kicking off our weekend morning with candy cane cold brews from Dutch Bros. We have decided we don't hate Dutch Bros anymore because it's delicious. Happy Saturday. Let's cook breakfast. Slight change of plans. We are walking the dogs first because they have so much freaking energy. And so we need to get it out. And so it's raining today, so it's sprinkling right now, but it's supposed to be full on raining later. So getting their energy out now. There's a possibility that walking in the sprinkle was not a good idea because it is now raining. The sprinkle has escalated. We have definitely made better decisions in our day. Oh my gosh, my mascara is literally leaking into my eye. My eye is on fire. Oh my gosh, do you see? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, my hair is soaking wet. Honestly, thank God I didn't style it today, but wow. Okay, Darren's shirt, he was just wearing a long sleeve because he always like runs warm, so he's like, I don't need a jacket. His shirt was like heather gray. It is like dark gray now, like it's completely soaked. Oh my gosh, my leggings are soaked all the way through. Wow. Okay, well, let's get back to it. Oh, I need to hang up my jacket to dry. And then it is time to finally cook breakfast. Okay, we are ready to rumble. So I just stuck the hash browns in, and then I'm boiling water because I have these cute little things from Williams-Sonoma that you put the eggs into, and then you put the lid on and you can poach them. So The water's ready, so I can begin poaching the eggs. But I think first I want to toast the muffins because the poaching only takes 4 minutes. So I think I want to wait on that, but I'm glad that it's ready to go. So I just finished all the prep. So we have the muffin, cheese, basil, tomato, and the egg, and some hash browns. And then I'm just waiting for the sauce to thicken up. It's pretty much done, but I'm gonna just make it a little bit thicker. Okay, it's ready. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Hello guys, it's a couple hours later. Brought you to a different background. So we're in the dining room, and I just feel like this Christmas tree is not getting enough love because the other one in the kitchen, I feel like is the primary one. But thought I would bring you guys in here so you can see something a little different. But anywho, I have decided that it is time to end this video here. I have a bunch of random clips and I need to edit the video. So we have just been hanging out, having a super lazy day. The pups have literally slept since we got back from the walk, which again was several hours ago. So I've just been like online shopping and just like doing other random things that I've needed to do, that I have needed to do. That I've needed to do and just like keep putting off. I keep like thinking of other things that I have also forgotten about. So very productive day overall, but it is time to end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below, you see a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tune in next week for another new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.